I think the project day, of course, is a culmination of the work that's been done by the students, by the teachers, and by the entire school community for, of course, for display, and the display for learning for a fixed period of time. However, that's just a peek into, how education or studies in the school is done on a regular basis. So we regularly have the project method, or the integrated learning as we call it, as the teaching methodology for the whole school. So this becomes just a way of showing and probably showing off to the entire community that come visit us, see what we are doing, understand what we are doing, and definitely get it all out from the horse's mouth, because it's the children who run the entire project day. I think at any point in time that we all understand and know that we send our kids to the school to learn life skills, because we want them all very confident when they get out of school. And how are we going to do that? If you look at this process of the project method very carefully and focus on the process and not the final product, so what you will get to see on the project day, of course you will see what is the final product, but if you would investigate a little bit and ask about the process and also look for evidence of the process on display or in what the kids are speaking, then I think you'll understand that the learning is deep rooted and is not only content related. So ask for questions. I think this message is for everyone, to ask children what they did learn, which is very evident through the content that is on display, but also through asking them questions about the process, because we all know that in any journey it's the process of the journey which is very important. To the failure, the success, in those processes, the whole ability to hang on, wait for some things which don't materialize, how does one work around it, how does one get to putting things back on track. And it's of course it's not individual work, and it's group work, so it involves a whole lot of group dynamics into the whole thing. So I'm really excited and looking forward to the project day this year, to ensure that, or rather than say ensure, to check out and also to see how the children have enjoyed the process, and would actually request everybody to join in and come in large numbers. It's open to everybody, friends, relatives, anybody and everyone.